What if your code could write itself? Today, we're putting two AI coding giants head-to-head, Cursor AI versus GitHub Copilot. Which one is faster, smarter, and better for developers? Let's find out. If you're a developer, you probably know GitHub Copilot. But have you heard of Cursor AI? It's an AI-powered coding assistant built directly into VS Code, and it can do a lot more than just autocomplete. From full app generation to AI-powered terminals and even converting Figma designs into code, Cursor AI takes things to the next level. So in this video, I'll compare both tools feature by feature, and at the end, I'll give you my final verdict on which one is worth using. Stick around till the end, you don't want to miss this. Let's start with the basics. Tab completion. Both Cursor and GitHub Copilot can suggest multiple lines of code, but Cursor's suggestions are often more aggressive and predictive. Plus, it can suggest changes to multiple parts of your code at once. GitHub Copilot, on the other hand, mainly focuses on single-line or function-based suggestions. So if you love hitting tab and watching full chunks of code appear, Cursor might be your best pick. But what if you need entire sections of code generated from scratch? Let's talk about that next. GitHub Copilot is great at assisting, but Cursor takes it further with its Composer feature. Imagine giving AI a simple prompt, like generate an HTML, CSS, and JavaScript tic-tac-toe game for 2 players, and it writes the entire structure for you. Not just suggestions, but full-fledged components and logic. Boom! This makes rapid prototyping incredibly fast. But once you have code, what if you need explanations or debugging help? That's where AI chat comes in. Cursor AI comes with an integrated chat, like ChatGPT. But here's what makes it special. You can provide full project context directly in the chat, so you can ask it to fix errors or simply say, "Is there a bug here?" And it'll understand based on your entire project structure. Copilot doesn't have this level of deep project understanding. But speaking of project-wide intelligence, let's look at one of Cursor's most futuristic features, the AI-powered terminal. Imagine typing a terminal command, only to have AI instantly suggest the correct one, even fixing errors for you. Need to find all files modified recently? Just ask, and AI provides the perfect command, saving you time and effort. Want to count the number of lines in a file? No problem. Cursor's AI suggests the right command right when you need it. Now, AI is great at helping with small tasks, but what if you need it to work across your entire codebase? That's where context awareness comes in. Cursor supports at files, at folders, and at code, which means you can literally say, type your instruction with the given context. And AI will know exactly what you're talking about. Copilot's pretty smart about context, too. It looks at your open files to figure out what's going on and can pick up cues from your imports, comments, and function names. This makes Cursor feel like it actually understands your entire project. But what about design-to-code workflows? Let's move on to a game-changing feature for front-end developers. This is insane. Cursor lets you convert Figma designs directly into code. Simply use the Figma plugin, select an element, and export it as React, HTML, or Tailwind code instantly. Copilot doesn't have this feature, which makes Cursor a powerful tool for front-end developers. But now let's talk about something all developers need: code reviews. Tired of manual code reviews? Cursor can analyze your entire project and highlight potential bugs, inefficiencies, best practices. It's like having an AI-powered senior developer looking over your code. Now let's talk about the most practical aspect. Where can you use these tools? Both Cursor and GitHub Copilot integrate with VS Code, but there's a difference. Cursor is actually a VS Code fork, meaning the entire IDE is built around AI assistance. This makes it feel more native and seamless than just using Copilot as an extension. But before we wrap up, let's talk about pricing, because at the end of the day, cost matters. GitHub Copilot costs $10 per month, while Cursor has a free plan with limits. To unlock full AI capabilities, you'll need a paid plan starting at $20 per month. So, if budget is a concern, Copilot is cheaper, but Cursor offers more powerful features. So which one is better? It depends. If you just need basic code suggestions, GitHub Copilot is solid. But if you want full AI-powered coding, project-wide intelligence, and features like AI terminals and Figma to code, Cursor is on another level. Now I want to hear from you. Would you switch to Cursor AI or stick with Copilot? Drop a comment below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss my next AI coding breakdown. See you in the next one.